Hi guys, my name is Kapil Dixit and I'm known as KD Sir at Time Jaipur. We are starting with the series Exam Tips by KD. We'll be talking about RC, VA, we'll be talking about all other sections on a generic note how to prepare for various exams like CAT, XAT, SNAP, IFT, NMAT, etc. And today, the first in the series is how to improve reading comprehension and diverse reading helps. So, this question is coming to me, how to improve RC. How to improve RC means how to improve comprehension. So typically when we talk about CAT, there are 24 questions in reading comprehension. Or 24 questions का मतलब होता है roughly around 24 to 25% of the entire paper. What does this mean? This means that it's an important area. This means that this is one area where you guys can score or you guys can improve your score. How to do that? See, typically look at a CAT passage. Passage number 1 is on geography. Passage number 2 is on economics. Passage number 3 is on science, passage number 4 is on technology, passage number 5 is on universe. So you are getting topics on a variety of subjects. How to improve on this? कभी सोच के देखना वैरायटी को इंप्रूव कैसे करें. तो देखो क्या हो रहा है, एग्जाम तुमसे क्या चाहता है, एग्जाम तुम्हारे गियर्स को शिफ्ट करा रहा है बार बार. कभी तुम साइंस पढ़ते हो, कभी इकोनॉमिक्स पढ़ते हो, सडनली बिजनेस पे शिफ्ट कर जाते हो, फिर फिलॉसफी शिफ्ट कर जाते हो. तुम्हारी कॉम्प्रिहेंशन, योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग अबाउट वैरायटी ऑफ सब्जेक्ट ये देख रहा है. इसके लिए सबसे पहले क्या करना है, डाइवर्स रीडिंग. अपनी डाइवर्स रीडिंग इंप्रूव करो. डाइवर्स रीडिंग में मेरा मतलब है साइंस, टेक्नोलॉजी, सोशल साइंस, हेल्थ, पॉलिटिक्स, लाइफस्टाइल, एंथ्रोपोलॉजी, ओपिनियन, एजुकेशन, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट, स्पिरिचुअलिटी, रिलीजन, एवरीथिंग. सो pick topics and read on these topics. So there are two ways to do it. First is read books on these topics. Second is read articles on this topic. तो तुम क्या करो, तुमने जैसे मैंने इतनी सारी तुम्हें लिस्ट दिया है, तुम कोई भी एक पर्टिकुलर लेके उसके आर्टिकल्स को ढूंढ के उनको पढ़ना चालू कर दो. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट ऑनलाइन रीडिंग हेल्प्स. इट हेल्प्स अ लॉट इन टर्म्स ऑफ इंप्रूविंग योर आई स्क्रीन कोऑर्डिनेशन. दूसरा तरीका है कि तुम बुक्स पढ़ो. सो यू हैव टाइम टिल कैट. यू कैन रीड बुक्स फ्रॉम साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. You can read God Part of the Brain, you can read Internet, you can read Infinite Power. So these are some books which you can read. These are some books which you can read in Science and Technology. Similarly, you can read some books in Brain, Self. So what I believe that books like The Power of Subconscious Mind, it's a very good book. Okay. Or Emotional Intelligence, these books will really help you. Okay. So again, a list of books that you can read on Brain and Self. Okay. Philosophy, you can read Ayn Rand. It's difficult, I know, but then slowly you will have to reach to that. I'm not saying that tomorrow go and start with Ayn Rand. Okay, so you can read on business and economy. This is one area where you should read maximum. Because you're going for a business course. So typically your interest and inclination in a business economy reading or this kind of subject should be maximum. And generally what I've seen in CAT also, they will give you topics based on economy, based on business. You usually get that. Then read on sports. Then read on politics. Now, how to start interest based reading? आपको क्या लगता होगा, आपको लगता होगा थोड़े से पेज पढ़ता हूं उसके बाद सब खत्म हो जाता है. So first start with autobiographies and biographies where your interest lies. For example, you have an interest in a particular individual. You have an interest in Sachin Tendulkar. Read his autobiography. Your interest level would be maintained till the end. You have some interest in politics, start with some books on Indira or some books by Mahatma Gandhi or some books by Jawaharlal Nehru. This reading will help you not only in your RC, but this reading will also help you in paraforming questions. Your ability to create linkages will improve. This reading will help you to improve your thought base. Again, that thought base which will further help you where in your VAT and your PI sessions. So you will be a more packaged candidate for a B school. Okay. Read online articles, read e-articles. There are a lot of e-sources available nowadays. Time itself has a very strong homepage, student homepage, where you get verbal inputs, and in verbal inputs you get suggested readings, whereby you have to link, you have to click the title. Title means topic that you want to read. You want to read philosophy, click on that. You want to read science, click on that. So you get articles based on that. You read e-papers by Hindu, you read e-papers by TOI, or you can read some blogs which I mentioned for you. So this is something that you guys have to do in the initial stage to improve your reading base. Okay. So I hope this is first part in the series. This will help you, and guys, please stay tuned with us and follow us for more updates. We will keep updating you on a regular basis. Bye bye.